Before switching to the next topic, I want to explain to you the concepts of passing by value and passing by reference. And in order to do that, we have to define new functions. So the first function, I call it pass by value. So this is just a void function, and we have just a one input argument. And within the body of the function, I will just assign 50 to the input argument. And I will define another quite similar function, and I call it pass by reference. And as an input, we have pointer variable, and I will assign 50, but I will use, and since we have pointer variable, I have to use asterisk symbol. And finally, I will define a new variable. I call it pizza quantity, and I will assign 10. Then I call this function, but we have this variable as an input argument to this function. Then I'm going to print the value of it. So if we run the code, we have the following pizza quantity. So at the beginning the value was 10, but when I called this function, we assigned 50 to the input variable. And after that we printed the value of pizza quantity, and by logic you might expect to have 50 as a pizza quantity, but still we have 10. So the thing is that when you pass by value, or when you provide just a variable, the program will make the copy of this variable, and it will use the copy of this variable within the function. That's why even we set 50 to this variable, we still have 10, so the value is unchanged when you pass by value. So let's do the same operation, but I will call pass by reference function, and here we're going to provide the address of the variable, because we have the address pointer variable as an input. And finally, if we run the code, we have 10 at this point, but when we call the function pass by reference, our value becomes 50. So I guess you get the difference between passing by value and passing by reference. So when you pass by value, the value of the input argument stays unchanged. But when we pass by reference, we provide the address of the variable. And when we assign a new value using the address, we explicitly change the value of the input argument. And how it works, it's quite straightforward. We provide the address of the variable, so when we write the following expression, this value will be stored in the address stored in this pointer variable. And since we provided the address of the pizza quantity, value of it will be changed when you write the following expression.